Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. I'm back, guys, with SMS Phone Leads. You've seen me talk about this system for a while, okay? It's a great little marketing tool, a software that you can use to get more leads into your business, okay? You're not in business if you don't have anyone looking at your opportunity. So this little system is $20, guys, to own it. Okay, it has a upgrade in it. Okay, if you like to send 200 text messages a day to 200 mobile leads a day, you can upgrade. Okay, it's $33 a month to be able to do that. And all you have to do is simply buy your credits. It takes 200 credits to send one message, okay? It's very reasonable for this system for you to get leads. So spend $20, you own it, and then if you'd like to send 200 messages a day, upgrade in your back office, okay? So check it out. I'm on the page now. We got a new little 7-minute video right here. Right here you can see one of my testimonies I made for the company. And it's a one-pager, okay? One-page site. It tells you everything you get. I mean, for $20, you get a lot of training in here, okay? And you get paid $20 every time you refer someone to this program, okay? You also get a residual income for the people that maintain the $33 a month SMS blaster, okay? So as you can see right here, 3 steps: sign up, pay collect $20, get paid. Okay, this is set up through Stripe. That's how you're going to get paid. So you can set up your Stripe account, and we show you how to do that in the back office as well. Here is the money flow for this program, but so simple, guys. Of course, this is not you're not going to get rich with it, but the point of the matter is you want to use a tool like this to get more leads in your primary business. And in the interim of doing that, you still can make cash flow, okay? So this tool will create some cash flow for you. But the point is you want to get more leads. How do you do that? Use this tool, okay? Use this tool. I'm going to put the link below for it so you can check it out. You get 100 credits with it as well, okay? But you need 200 to send out one message. So check this page out. Go to the FAQ section and get your questions answered. There's a lot of people ask me questions. That's right here, guys. Just look at this page and get your questions. Be up and running in 5 minutes, literally, okay? But what I want to show you also is some additions that have been added, okay? Because people are always asking, well, what text messages should I use? Give me some ad copy. Guess what? We have it now, okay? I'm going to log into the back office and let you check it out. Hang on a second. Hey guys, go up here to the top, says training, come down, click access SMS marketing, okay? You got some bonuses in here too, so make sure you check that out. But go to access SMS marketing, and guess what? We have banners, swipes, classified ads, and text messages. Woo, how about that? Isn't that nice? For $20, you get this, okay? But upgrade, I highly recommend you upgrade so that you can send 200 messages out. Okay, that's 6,000 text messages a month to promote your business, whatever it is. Now check it out. I'm going to click on the banner so you can see some of the banners. Aren't these nice? Okay. I've already put some ads out for this. So you just copy right in here in this area, copy and paste this into classified ads websites that advertising. Okay. Nice pics. Okay. Then we have social media swipes. Okay, go in there and copy that verbiage and go into your social media and put this information there. Classified ads, we have that as well. Okay, text messages, we have that as well. Okay, so more training, more information that they've added to this little $20 system, guys. You cannot beat this. Grab this today, $20. Okay, to get this system and upgrade so you can send 200 text messages a day. You have it, SMS Phone Leads. Now, a marketing system, you're going to want that as well. Let me show you a page I created in the Conversion Pros. Okay. You can get my share code. Join me in the Conversion Pros. It's free to get to try it out for 7 days. If you decide you want to keep it, it's $50 a month, and you earn $25 residual income. Okay, so here's a page I created, and it's going to start moving here, some motion in the background. Okay, what if you could text your ad to 6,000 mobile phones every month? Okay, we put your ad on 200 cell phones a day. You need to see how this works. This is a capture page I created, so you can use this with the SMS Phone Leads. Okay, and when people opt in, then they'll go to your SMS Phone Leads page. All right, awesome. So we have it all for you. We have the texting tool, and then we have the marketing system. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the link below for this. Check it out. You got to grab it. I mean, for the price, you cannot beat this price point. Okay, so go and check it out. Then call me if you have any questions. Grab this system for $20 today. Okay, all right, guys, subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, and go ahead and like the video. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the inside. You guys have a blessed day.